Hello everyone, let's provide a solution to this exponential equation. We have 6 raised to power a multiplying by 6 raised to power a is equal to 60. So what is the value of a? Okay, so solution, we have that 6 raised to power a multiplying by 6 raised to power a is in the form of a raised to power n multiplying by a raised to power m, which is equal to a n plus m. Okay, so this is in that form, so we can convert it in this form so that we're going to have 6 raised to power a plus a. This is equal to 60. Okay, so that now we're going to have 6 raised to power 2a. This is equal to 60. Okay, and from this particular point we introduce the natural logarithm to solve for the value of a, so that we're going to have log 6 raised to power 2a. This is equal to log 60. Okay, now 60 can be expressed as 12 multiplying by 5. Okay, so we can substitute this so that we're going to have log 6 raised to power 2a. This is equal to log 12 multiplied by 5. Okay, so by introducing the natural logarithm identity, so that if you have log m raised to power p, this can be expressed as p log m, so that now we're going to have 2a log 6. This is equal to log 12 multiplied by 5. Okay, so if you have log a multiplied by b, this can be expressed as log a plus log b. Okay, so now this is equal to log 12 multiplied by 5. Okay, so if you have log a multiplied by b, this can be expressed as log a plus log b. Okay, so now we have that 2a log 6. So we're saying that introducing the logarithm identity, log a multiplied by b, this can be expressed as log a plus log b. So that now we're going to have 2a log 6. This is equal to log 12 plus log 5. Okay, so that now you can divide both sides by log 6. Log 6. So that now we're going to have 2a. This is equal to log 12. 12 can be expressed as 6 multiplied by 2. 6 multiplied by 2. So that now we can express this as log 6 plus log 2 plus log 5. We divide everything by log 6. Log 6. Okay, so that now we're going to have 2a. This is equal to 1 plus this is log 2 divided by log 6 plus log 5 divided by log 6. Okay, so now given that if you have log a divided by log b, this can be expressed as log a to base b. Okay, so that now you're going to have 2a is equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 6 plus log 5 to base 6, and to define the value of a, we divide everything by 2, so that the value of a is equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 6 plus log 5 to base 6. Okay, so let's check if this value of a is correct. Let's check if this value of a is correct. Okay, so now we have that. Let's check. So remember, we end 6 raised to power a multiplying by 6 raised to power a. This is supposed to give us a value of 60. Okay, so this is 6 raised to power 2a. This is supposed to give us 60. Okay, So we substitute the value of a, so that we're going to have 6 raised to power 2 multiplying by the value of a, which is equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 6 plus log 5 to base 6. Okay, this is supposed to give us a value of 60. All right, so this is all divided by 2. Okay, so we simplify, so that we're going to have 6 raised to power 1 plus log 2 to base 6 plus log 5 to base 6. This is supposed to be equal to 60. Okay, so you can see this part is expressed in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which we can express as a raised to power n multiplied by, that is multiplied by a raised to power m. Okay, so we can express this in that form, so that now we're going to have 6 raised to power 1 multiplied by 6 raised to power log 2 to base 6 multiplied by 6 raised to power log 5 to base 6, which is supposed to give us 60. Okay, so we have some interesting property that if you have b raised to power log a to base b, this is definitely going to give you a. Okay, so in our case we have log, that is 6 raised to power log 2 to base 6, this is equal to 2, and then we have 6 raised to power log 5 to base 6, this is definitely going to give you 5. Okay, so we substitute these values of 2 and 5, so that now we are going to have 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, this is supposed to give us a value of 60. Okay, so that now 6 times 2 is 12 multiplied by 5, so this is equal to 60, which is equal to 60. So that means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay, and that shows that the value of x is definitely equal to 1 plus log 2 to base 6 plus log 5 to base 6 divided by 2, and that's the correct value. Thank you for watching, and kindly